Dave at USA Performance Parts. I'm here to show you our Lunati 3750 stroke lightweight crankshaft and rotating assembly kits. This is a 44-pound crankshaft from Lunati. They're 4340 forged. It has the star flange where they've machined a lot of weight off the flywheel flange. They all have light and rod journals in them. These are also all gun drilled. All the mains are gun drilled. It has the lightweight windage control with the bullet nose on it for the great windage control. Biggest thing, they go in and undercut this, they scallop machine it, and get rid of a lot more weight without affecting the strength of it. These kits are good for up to 750 horsepower. This can be used with a stock block for a 383 cubic inch, or we can go up with an aftermarket block like a Dart SHP, a Little M, or a World Products lightweight circle track block, and those will be 406 or 400 cubic inch with a stock bore. Great lightweight combination for some decent horsepower, guys. For the 750 horsepower ones, we use the Molnar I-beam rod. This is their standard weight rod. Still just a little over 600 grams. As their proprietary ARP 2000 bolts with asymmetrical threads, and it also has a longer grip length in it to let the bolt flex a little bit more without breaking. Now, for the guys that are down with around 650 horsepower or less, we use the Molnar midweight rod. Now this is about 60 grams lighter than the other rod. Comes with a 3/8 ARP 2000 proprietary bolt with the asymmetrical threads. So with this, it makes a good lightweight combination, especially on the 383s. But it's also good for the 406s. To keep the assembly light, we use the SRP Pro piston in these. It has a coated skirt. It has the inboard forging for strength and lightweight. Comes with a 250 wall or 250 length pin with a 150 wall. The ring package is a 1.2 steel nitrided ring, a 1.5 second ring, and a 3mm oil ring. A nice lightweight, very good at oil control ring. For guys that can use something other than a flat top, we also have their dome piston with the same ring package. Another great piston, and these are very lightweight and work very good in the 600 to 750 horsepower range. We use King XP bearings in them exclusively. These have a very close tolerance bearings. They also have the dark gray black overlay on them. This is not a coating, it's their overlay that they use instead of lead. It's a lot stronger and lasts longer than the lead overlays and is easier on the crankshaft. We have these in a number of combinations for the circle track in the lightweight, and we've even got a lot of guys now using the lightweight stuff in the drag race too. It just helps it accelerate off the starting line much better. If you need any more information or want to discuss your combination, give me a call, 704-397-7979, or check us out on the web at usaperform.com.